afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Tell me about yourself.
My name is Roshan Ale. I am 24 years old. I have 4 family members. My education level is 10 pass.
Okay, Roshan Ali sir, are you married?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you physically fit?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you ready to work hard?
Yes.
Okay, so can you tell me about your work experience?
I have 2 years experience as a dishwasher in Annapurna Hotel.
Very good. Okay, so what are the responsibilities of a dishwasher?
To wash the dishwasher, handle glassware, knife, carefully wipe off the utensils with clean cloth, keep it in properly placed, then clear sink.
Okay, so you can work as a dishwasher in any European countries?
Yeah, I have experience in
Okay.
Dubai also.
Okay, so you can work in any weather or climate there?
Yes.
Okay, you have any medical health problem?
No.
Do you have any friends or relatives there?
No.
Okay, so are you willing to stay there for a long time?
Yes.
Okay, so you must complete your 2 years employment contract with the sponsor company. Is that okay?
Yes.
Okay, so now you can show me a skill.
Yes.
Okay.